What's up, you guys? How has been the market lately for you guys? Am I insane or is the whole market insane? My God. My portfolio is up 1.92% today. So this has been a good ride so far the past few weeks. I have not put any new money into my account since the past few videos, and the account is up by like almost $10,000 since I last put some money in the account. So if you look at the account as of today, it's 60,000, and weeks gain, it's 3.2% gain, 3.32, and the 1 month gain is 20%, 3 months 12%, and for the year it's 15%. Can you believe that? And overall the account, well, 16.87%. It has been insane so far. So if you look at my JP Morgan call options, I did a video on this about selling a covered call. If you look at the total return, it's kind of like negative $1,000. So well, if I hadn't sold it, I would have been up by $1,000 more, but then you cannot predict these kind of things. But I'll be rolling over this option this Friday, most probably. If I'd be selling a call option for 94.5 strike price or 95. It depends how it behaves on Friday. But JP Morgan went massively up, guys. Also, I want to touch another topic that I've seen a lot of people on YouTube have been talking about: the market is being overvalued or not. And the consensus opinion is market is overvalued. But I have a slightly different opinion. I am of the opinion that no one really knows if the market is high or not. Why? Because the underlying principles have changed. We are in a new era. So many of the YouTubers, I guess most of them started investing in the past few years, and for them, this moment in time, everything looks super overvalued because that's what they have seen in the past. But when you really look at it, even from 2008, 2009, those time frame, the people who have been in market for longer, they had believed that the market was overvalued since 2008, 9. I mean, Warren Buffett hasn't purchased anything substantial since last 10, 12 years. People in 2011 thought market was overvalued, 12 thought it was overvalued. Anyone who got into the market after a couple of years think it's overvalued. The truth is, no one knows. That's the truth. Amazon goes for multiples of its PE ratio. Why? Because there is interest in it, right? Who says that 10 times the PE ratio or 17 times the PE ratio is the right value? It's just based on history. But as we have seen from the new news, market hasn't, there are a lot more new participants in the market. A lot of millennials have come into invest. This might be the new truth. PE times 30 might be the value of stocks from now on. Who knows? No one knows. So the whole idea that market is overvalued, and so let me sell all my portfolio, sell all the stocks, doesn't work that way, guys. And so what am I doing during this time? I'm just keeping a cash position, right? That's what I'm doing. I have approximately like 10-15% of my portfolio available in cash. Oh, don't look at this amount. I have my cash elsewhere with me. So I'm just planning to keep that. And if the market drops again, I'll just go in and I'll slowly increase it to like 25 to 30% cash. And I always do that. I never go all in, even during good times or bad times. And that's my strategy. I don't know, this ride might continue for another 1 year, next week, tomorrow it might go down. I don't know, no one knows. All you can say is, especially for, I mean, it makes sense for Warren Buffett to sit out because the moves that he make will move the whole market. But for small retail investors like us, it doesn't make much sense, guys, sitting out because no one can time the market. All you can do is you can buy, or you can just sell some puts, you can sell some options, be in the market, because the time in the market is more important. And build up your cash positions. Once you are about 25% or 30% in cash, just start buying stuff. There are still a lot of stocks that you can buy. So for example, If it was me, I would still keep buying Microsoft, Disney, VYMI. Of course, I'll buy that, and ACHD, VWOB. Why not? BLV. I can buy all of those because 20 years, 10 years, 10 years, 20 years from now, they're still going to be valuable, right? So I don't have to wait for like a drop just to get back in. So guys, that's all I had for today. Hope the market stays like this, but even if it goes down, I don't really care because I'm not planning to take this money out anytime soon. So, but it's nice to look at, right? I mean, when the account shows like, you know, daily increases of like $1,000, 2% up, it feels good, and that's all about it. I'm in the market for the long term. So all right then, adios guys. Catch you in the next video. Stay safe and have fun.